church was built on the idea that the humans are well, right? Let's see what we did to the humans. Church, everything we built are for human welfare, to raise the human consciousness and bring about health and well-being for humans. The powers at the top have managed to somehow make sure that so-called the same people that they care invited to be part of God's children, we decided upon the identity or where they were born or the color of the skin or the way they look. But God never had the intention to do that to anyone. There was no God's intention to make this human being to struggle and suffer this way. At the shed which is housing the old campanello, the bell. Somehow he's got a little bit of shelter there from the rain and the elements of the nature. But what is so painful for me is that we have forgotten, completely forgotten. There's a whole family who came in with hats on their head into the church, walked up the steps to the altar without ever 4 children taking their hats off. All 4 kids, male, and the father and the mother. All 6 of them with their hats on inside the church. I'll leave it with you for you to decide the future of humanity on this planet, with all these cathedrals standing magnificent way, with such peace and energy at the same time. If you don't bring down the conscious, meaningful ways of living and being gentle with nature. And then as I came out of that door, there was a group of youngsters who were just vaping and smoking on the church grounds. And that's the way the humans have conducted themselves today.